Hello and welcome guys. Today we will be going with some basic operation in Python. Before we jump into that, let me give you a brief introduction about Python. So Python is a high level programming language, and Python is very popular just because of the code readability, which other programming languages do not provide. And it provides wide range of libraries that can be used for networking purpose, data analysis purpose, uh, building games, graphics, web development. So these are the positive point why we are using Python, and why Python become very popular nowadays. Google, Microsoft, every big company is using it to optimize their codes. And also, like, you have to write very less lines of code to make it work. And yeah, these are the main advantages why we are using Python. Also, for data science purposes, there are so many libraries that you can use it from, like NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, SciPy. These are the like common libraries we will be using in upcoming videos. You will see, I mean, how easy it is to implement a mathematics, a formula, or other things. Yeah, so yeah, let's get started. So in Python, basically, let me show you first how to print a statement. So basically, to print a statement, we have to write print, and then whatever you want to print, you will be adding inside double quote. So like, this is Python. Okay, now you can see, if you shift enter is like a run that current cell, so it will give you the output. Okay, now let's say if you want to print half of the text in the next line, so like this. So what you will do, you will like give a slash and an, which will break the line, and remaining text will go to the next line. So this is how we print in the Python. Now let's do some arithmetic operation. AO. Now shortcut to make it heading is 1, and shift enter. So to make a addition, so what you will do, you will initialize some variable. So let's say we want to initialize a equal to 10, and then you don't have to do write any semicolons here. That is the main advantage of using Python. And then you will type b. Now a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Now shift enter. Now these both variable has been initialized. Now if you type a and shift enter, it will show you 10. Okay, and also you can use print, because this is like advantage of Jupyter Notebook, that even if you type a, it will show you the output of a. But if your code is going in production, it will won't going to print directly 10. So that's why you have to use that time print. Okay, now we have seen how to initialize variable. Now you will see how to do addition. Okay, for addition, subtraction, divide, then multiplication. For addition, it is simple, like you can write c equal to a plus b. That's all you have to do. Now if you print c, it will show you 30, which is the sum of a plus b. Now to subtract, let's say d equal to a minus b. Okay, so it will give you whatever the result is, minus 10. Now if you do b minus a, it will show you plus 10. Okay, so this is how we do addition, subtraction. Divide is also same. You have to write what is big number, b by a. Okay, this is how you do divide, which is like very common. Everywhere we do like this only. So divide, you see, is like, obviously 20 by 10 is 2. Now multiplication, it is also like same. Star we will be using here, a into So we have seen how these arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, divide and multiplication we do in Python. Okay, now let's say you want to you want to square, okay, so that time what you will do, you will add double square. So double square means you are putting b as a, you know, uh, superscript of a, okay. Now if you print f, it will give you whatever the square of, you know, a to the power b implies. Or you can call it as, you know, exponential, like, you know, k equal to a double star b will also be called as exponential. And you see, right, how easy it is to do, you know, this arithmetic operation is in Python. So this is how, I mean, other things will be. So let's get started. Now to we are missing one more, that is, you know, reminder. So let's say you want to take a percentage a percentage b, what it will reply. So let's do this, and you will see that the remainder of a% b is 10. Again, this is how it follows. So basically, in Python it follows Badmas rule. So you I think you guys have already heard about what is Badmas rule. So basically, what Badmas rule is: into, divide, plus, minus. So it follow the order, how, you know, execution will happen with terms of with respect to arithmetic operations. So for example, this, okay, 5 into 6 plus 10 minus whatever number you give, divide 45 54. Okay, now you do this in calculator, it will be same. So basically it follows that order, which basically first it will multiply, then divide, then plus, and then subtraction. This is how it follows, and then this is the reply you will get. Now we will see incremental operation. So let's define I equal to 10, and then let's increment it by 1, which I will write code like. Now I should be incremented by 1. If I write I, it should give me 11. Yeah. Now same way, if you want to decrement, so that time what you will do, same way you will write, let's say we do 9. Now instead of plus you will type minus, it will reply, it will output you 8. And this is how incremental work in Python. Now we'll look into some logical operators. So let's do some logical operators. So if I type 5 greater than 6, it should reply me either true or false. You know, obviously 5 greater than 6 is false. Same way, we will be writing some boolean patterns, true and false, and or also you can use, you know, so basically exclamatory mark is used for not, okay. So you can use exclamatory mark, or you can use not, okay. And you can also use you know, word and, or you can use simple symbol also. So anyway it will work, okay. So now I'm using exclamatory sign. So you can see 5 not equal to 6. So now guess what all these three will return. Obviously true and false is false, true or false is true. 5 not equal to 6, obviously true. So this is how logical, you know, operator works here. Now let's do some string operations. Okay, so basically we'll see format stripping methods. Okay, so first let's add some text. Okay, so I have typed a text which includes many white spaces on the left and the right, or you can say beginning or the ending. Now I will try to remove the white spaces from this text. So what I will do, I will do text dot else strip is used to remove white spaces from left side. Now you will see there is no you know white spaces on the left. Same way you can use right strip, which is alt strip, to remove the right one. And if you want to remove from both side, then what you will do, you will just type strip, so it will remove all the white spaces. Now suppose you want to like print uh, dynamically. So what I mean by that is, let's say you defined a variable equal to 10. Okay, now you want to print what is my marks. So my marks in science is, you will give two curly braces. So basically it will uh, use to you know take the value which I will be passing in the format function method. So here you have to pass that var variable to make sure whatever it is printing, it will carry out your marks. So if I run this, it will show my marks in science is 10. So that way you can add multiple curly braces, and then you have to pass multiple uh, variable that you have defined, or you can say mask. So this way you can dynamically print uh, the values. Now next we will see slicing and indexing. So thank you guys, and the next tutorial will see the rest of the things.